I started by placing my skirt's pattern on top of the fabric piece, the front pattern pinned on fold and the back pattern on two separate pieces of fabric and pinned them together. I am now cutting my fabric pieces around the skirt's pattern. Next, I'm going to reproduce the dots from my skirt's pattern to my skirt's fabric pieces. Then do the same to the abdomen line and the front of the skirt. These are the two skirts pieces that I need. I am now going to pin and sew all the 4 dots. After the dots are done, I'm going to pin the front and the back pieces together, right side to right side, and making sure the notches are aligned. Then sew them together. Next, I'm going to hem the top of my skirt by folding it at 1/2 inch, pressing down with my iron and making a straight stitch. I then folded each end of the back piece by 1 inch and pressed down with my iron. Time to install the zip. I'm going to place it on one end and pin it together, and I'm going to go ahead and do a straight stitch. Next, I'm overlapping, meaning covering the zip with the other end and pinning them together, and then make a straight stitch. I want to leave a 6-inch slit at the end, at the back, so I'm just going to sew a little down between the end of the zip and the slit, and also hem the bottom of the skirt. I later on got a piece of fabric which is 45 inches by 16 inches, and I'm going to fold it in half. Then I will sew as shown and turn it to the right side. I turn the open end inside and sew on top to close it. I went ahead and made a ruffle, and I'm going to just place it on one side of the front piece of my skirt, then pin and sew that down. Then I flip it to the other side and give it a good press and top stitch it. And this is all for this pencil skirt using the pattern I showed you how to draw on my previous video. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Goodbye.